In this Typekit review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to automatically translate any website using an AI technology that you can put on your own website or sell as a service. Make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to be showing you all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Typekit, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video as it really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of special bonuses, including recently launched software products here. All of these are going to be waiting for you inside of JVZoo after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says your website is rejecting over 80% of your visitors every single minute. Here's how to get all of them back and turn them into hot leads in one click. First to market technology fixes a major traffic leak and gets you 500% more traffic instantly while turning them all into hot email leads in one click instantly. So essentially what this software does is it takes any page and it translates it into foreign languages. Now they have an example of it here. They've got some options. People come to the page, it says change language. People click on change language, and here it says it has some options here. There are more options that you can add in as well. Here it has Arabic, Chinese, English, French, Hindi, Portuguese, and Spanish. Let's say I want it in Spanish. I click on Spanish, save and translate. There's even an opt-in form here if you want people to remember, remember my language. But if they don't want to, they don't have to put in their email, but it's a way for you to get leads. No, I want to skip. And look, it changes it all into Spanish in just one click here. And it's like that's pretty cool. And I can go here if I want, obviously, I want to change it back to my language, English. And here we go. Now we're back in English. So you can do all that using the software. They've got some statistics here and whatnot, blah, blah, blah. If you want to get someone to translate for you, it's going to obviously cost you money to do that. You're like their whole thing here is that you're losing traffic to people that are coming that maybe speak another language. Maybe they don't understand what's going on the page and they leave. With this, you can change that language really easily. You can capture leads. You can see what your visitors are. You can edit the translations. You can remote AI edit from your website really, really easily using this. Now let me bring you down to the bottom here. I'm not going to go through everything on the sales page, as you can do that yourself, but there's two licenses on the front end. There's a personal and there's a commercial. With a commercial license, you can do 30 websites and you can sell this as a service to people, which I think is a pretty cool thing. Being able to offer this as another thing that you can offer your clients. It has 30 languages to translate from, included in that option here for a low one-time price. Also, this is what I want to make sure you see. If you move your mouse away, so let me come back to this page. If you move your mouse away from it, when you come here, a discount code is going to pop up. Make sure you get that. I always want you to get the lowest price possible on this. I make less as an affiliate, but you get the better deal on it. And hopefully you'll come back to me again in the future. Give me a like if you like the fact that I show you these discounts here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to play you a quick demo video, and I'll be back to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades.
Here's Typekit in action. Getting started with Typekit for the first time, come over here, hit on add a new website. On add a new website, you're expected to provide your website URL and go ahead to select your default language, so whatever you want your website visitors to see as the default language to your website, you can go ahead and select that. And you can also come over here to select the number of support languages which you want your website visitors to be able to translate your website into. So once you're done selecting your languages, you can then come over here to hit an add new website. Once a new website is added, you find it listed like this on your startup page. Now you can come over here, click here to of course customize how you want your language switcher to look like. So you can hit and customize. At this point, you can also go ahead, add some more languages if need arises. You can also adjust the position of your language switcher, just like you see it right here. I can change it to bottom right. I can also change it to my top center as well. I can also switch it to my bottom right, as we can see right there, as well as getting it to my top right. I can also rotate it as much as I want to my right center, as you can have right there, and you can sync the colors to meet whatever color your website is designed on. You can also choose your tagline art text you want to appear here, so you could just have select language instead of choose. You could have select language. All right, so hit and save and continue. Once you successfully get that done, you can then come over to the page overview. On your page overview, you can find your script, and you can of course see your entire translations which you've done. And this is exactly how Typekit will look like on your website. So visiting your website for the first time, Typekit comes up like this, requesting for you to choose the language. So whichever language I want to get this on, I could go ahead, select it. If I'm Arabic, I could go over set that, and it requires that I provide my name. So I could go ahead and set my name here, and it's going to remember me and render all my site into Arabic. So if I visited the next time, I'm going to have all of this content right inside here, and it does not distort the styling of my website. So that's really how awesome it is to use Typekit to translate any of your website for your first time site visitors. So coming back to your Typekit dashboard and going over to your visitors, you can find the entire visitors which has been captured by Typekit. So right here we have our visitor right here showing that we captured right from Typekit. And you can always come back to your Typekit dashboard to edit or customize your language further. So at this point, you can then come over here to see all your translations. Right inside of the translation, you can of course come here to see your edit functionality. So right on your translate, you can also get to see all translatable text that our AI can also help you translate or suggest text which you can change your front end view into. So right here you can see all the text. So if I was to make some edits within my footer, if I have some errors within my footer, it could be copyright. So if I put it that way, I can also get to see content. I could want to change this, so I can then come over here, say edit. Here we have Typekit new flow. So if I change this now to Typekit app, I have it at Typekit app. If I hit and save changes, this is going to apply on my front end as well, so I don't have to pay any developer to edit my text for me. So coming back to the page right here, I want to go back and I'm selecting English. I hit and save. If you scroll down and hit to refresh this page, to be able to resolve this. Scrolling below, you see here we have the Typekit app. So that's exactly how you can go ahead to use the Typekit AI to rewrite your site remotely, as well as to translate your website without distorting the content to just about anything you want to do. So that's exactly how we get Typekit into action. Thank you.
So the first upgrade you're going to see here is the unlimited version. With this, you can have unlimited websites. You can select only unlimited languages to translate your website. So there's unlimited languages here, unlimited leads for a one-time price with this. You can add that in there, and you can geolocate and automatically switch visitors' languages based upon where they're coming from. The next one here is Multilingual SEO Suite, which automatically places your site higher in Google. It's going to make sure that you are completely optimized for Google so that you can get more free SEO traffic based on language. If people are coming to your website and it's in the wrong language, they're going to leave your website and your ranking is going to go down. The next one here is Access, our legendary multilingual copywriter AI. So it's going to help, it's going to write your posts for you, write your content for you. And that one, I want to make sure I show you the price on this. And you might notice that they're using their software on their actual pages, which is good. Here we go, 47. The next one here, you can launch a profitable 5-figure company in less than a day. This is their agency offer. So if you really want to have all the materials you need to provide this as a service and to really start selling this to customers, you can get this one. And the last one is the the reseller access to this. So you can resell the software and keep 100% of the profits. They have 3 different options for this. All these are completely optional. Pick and choose which ones you want and which ones you don't. What do I like about Typekit and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, this whole claim of 500% more traffic instantly, I don't believe it. You're not going to get 500% more traffic instantly. However, you are going to be able to prevent people from leaving your website potentially if they are coming in and they're not speaking the language that you have on your site. What do I like about this? I think this is a really cool idea. Just the fact that you're able to help people that, like, not everyone in the world speaks English. And sometimes we forget that. So there are people and there are different places in the world that are going to need translations for their websites. Maybe someone has websites in Europe, maybe someone's in Germany, and they want to make sure they have an English version and a French version of their website as well. Now you can have that all done with just a few clicks and even sell it as a service. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Typekit, go ahead and click the link below. Also, please like this video as it will really help out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.